Hey, just got to Thailand, want to eat some delicious looking street food? One of the first thing that comes to mind is, am I gonna be safe? Is it gonna be safe to eat? Am I gonna get sick? And I don't wanna get sick. Is it gonna be too spicy? We hope you join us on a walk through what we feel are some of the safest and tastiest street foods to eat. As a bonus, we're gonna also show you some really good and delicious Thai desserts as well. You know, the older I've gotten, the more touchy my digestive system has gotten. So, hey, if I can eat it, I'm sure that you can eat it. I'm gonna order something called khao man gai. The chicken's boiled, and then the rice is cooked in the water from the boiled chicken, and some spices are added. And I really feel this is pretty safe, especially if there's a good turnover and the chicken hasn't been sitting out for a long time. There's some chicken blood, chicken liver. There's my chicken, parsley on top. Now this sauce is really good here, but you gotta be careful if you don't like spicy. There are some peppers in it, so gotta be a little careful. And a nice steaming bowl of chicken soup. I'm actually still hungry, so I'm gonna get a bowl of banh mi keo, the one with the yellow noodles and the dumplings in it. What if I told you I was gonna eat my soup with chopsticks? Would you believe me? I am. Here's one of the dumplings. Look at that beauty. Just can't seem to escape the rain. As soon as we got in the car to come up here, it started raining. We suggest buying food from vendors that are busy with customers. You have a better chance of your food being fresh so you don't get sick, and it'll be very tasty. That's these right there. That one's mine. It's really not a good idea to eat unpeeled fruit such as apples. Also, raw vegetables. A lot of times the raw vegetables, they're just rinsed in tap water. So you're getting a chance of contamination from the tap water as well. A lot of times we avoid seafood when we are far from the ocean. Some of the pre-made foods may have been setting around for a while, so it's best to have it made right in front of you. Soups and things that just came out of boiling water are usually some of your safest bets here in Thailand. ยิ้มด้วยครับ อันนี้แม่หรือเปล่าครับ Yeah, things like fruit smoothies and that, you got to be a little careful. You got to see what kind of ice they're using. If it's already all crushed up, it's best to stay away from it. Like this ice right here, that's the type of ice you want to avoid. It's not always very clean and you can get sick. Yeah, the ice that's round like this and has a hole through it is safer than that crushed up ice. I just asked the girl that's selling it here, and she said this isn't even 100% safe. So it's a night market here at Big C.
Hello.
Hello,ครับ
I did. Yeah.
As far as ice goes, bacteria that can cause serious harm to humans, well, they're able to survive in ice cubes. Sautés are always good. Dip them in some peanut sauce. Yeah, this is green curry with fish in it. You can see that's boiling. When that's done, that'd be safe to eat, definitely. Bananas are always safe to eat here in Thailand. There's like 100 varieties of bananas here. Some pastries. So you get 3 of them for 25 baht, for less than $1. That's jackfruit right there. Cutting up some duck right here. Something that you're probably going to want to stay away from, things that are raw. That would definitely throw you for a loop. There's a Thai dish called som tam, which is papaya salad. And that can be pretty sketchy eating that sometimes because you may not order it with fermented fish or crab in it, but what they're making it in hasn't been washed out. So you're going to get some of that bacteria from it. If you can make sure the vendor's clean, definitely try papaya salad. It's wonderful. There's some guava in Thai, phalang. That's what they call us foreigners, phalang. Those are blood mussels. Z said those are some kind of grapes. There's some Thai desserts. Then coconut milk, and there's like some jelly type stuff in it. These are really good. This is squash with custard in it. Love these. These are really tasty. Oh, look at these desserts, 10 baht. For you chocolate lovers, wow, look at those. Those look good too. This is one of my favorite desserts right here. Mangoes and sticky rice. In Thai, khao niao ma muang. Pretty much stealing a phrase from Andrew Zimmern, the food guy. If it looks good, eat it. You know, just use common sense and you should be fine, because you don't want to miss out on street food. If you're new to our channel or back for more, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe and like button. That would really help us out. Z and I really hope you enjoyed hanging out with us, and we really look forward to seeing you all on the next one.